to monsters. But thanks to the watchful eye of the Child Protection Agency, there has never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA as they keep Monstropolis pure Johnson free. The green, the yellow, the CDA.
The area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its one control, made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me with a magic.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky!
My home is out to me! On my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is not under control. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. That's the girl they're looking for. Nothing is back here.
Hey, working nights! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Are you done yet, Phil?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan.
They'll never get her home now!
It's been the most terrifying days of my life.
My, good lucky!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Okay, you mentioned prepare for decontamination.
Child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress that replied to where we immediately secured the area in question.
Control now, so keep it moving. Didn't see